At Marlow Ropes, we are turning the tide on how we manufacture. As a leading manufacturer, we are committed to ensuring that we run an efficient and ethical operation, driving a sustainable future for manufacturing in the UK. As a rope maker, we recognise that our activities will have an effect on the environment, and we are committed to ensuring that this is minimised as far as is practical. With this in mind, we are bringing together the sustainability work we are doing and the eco-conscious products we are developing under one brand: Blue Ocean. You'll know Blue Ocean as our eco-conscious recycled yarn, but we want to tell you what Blue Ocean means to us, and ultimately what it means to you. The Blue Ocean brand is Marlow's mark of sustainability and assures all our stakeholders of our ongoing commitment to conduct our operations within an environmentally conscious framework under these company-wide Blue initiatives. B. Being proactive and measured in our commitment to reducing our environmental impact. L. Less is more. Continuing our quest for less energy, less plastics, less waste and less emissions. U. Utilising our position as a market leader to be a key advocate for sustainable change across the rope industry. E. Educating ourselves and our stakeholders to do better, be better and act responsibly in all areas of our business. Throughout our 200-year history, Marlow's ability to innovate has kept us moving forward, enabling us to now adopt new rope-making processes and materials with sustainability at the core. It's an exciting time for Marlow's future, and over the coming months we'll be sharing more of our Blue Ocean story and the results of our Blue Ocean initiatives with you. For more information, visit marlowropes.com/blue-ocean.